This video is your guide on how to save energy during the holiday season. The holiday season is a time of joy, celebration, and togetherness. As we deck the halls and enjoy the festive spirit, it's essential to consider the environmental impact of some of our favorite holiday traditions we know and love. In this guide, we'll explore practical and eco-friendly tips to help you enjoy a sustainable and energy-efficient holiday season. We personally love to decorate, but as our energy bill costs are rising, we question if it's even worth it anymore. But luckily, there are some tips to keep costs down on those holiday twinkling lights. Let's delve into the world of green holidays and discover how you can power your holidays with a touch of environmental mindfulness. Here at The Energy Professor, we want to give you the information you need to not only save money on your energy bill, but also to become more energy efficient. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Number 1, buy energy-saving LED holiday lights. Embarking on an eco-friendly holiday journey begins with a simple yet impactful switch, trading traditional lights for energy-efficient LED alternative lights. This not only translates to a lower energy bill, but also aligns with the broader goal of reducing environmental impact. Beyond their energy efficiency, LED lights boast an impressive lifespan, outshining traditional bulbs. With durability that far exceeds conventional options, LED lights can last up to 25 times longer. By choosing LED lights, you're not just illuminating your home with a warm and festive glow, you're making a conscious choice towards a more sustainable and environmentally friendly holiday celebration this year. Number 2, upgrade your thermostat. Elevate your holiday comfort while championing sustainability by upgrading to a programmable thermostat. This intelligent device provides precise control over your home's temperature, allowing you to customize heating schedules based on your daily routine. By lowering the heat during periods of inactivity or when you're away, a programmable thermostat significantly reduces energy consumption, translating into both cost savings and a lighter environmental footprint. This is great during the holiday season. This upgrade will not only assure a cozy home when needed, but also aligns with the eco-friendly practices, contributing to a more energy efficient and environmentally conscious holiday season. Number 3, consciously bake your holiday meals. Embrace the culinary delights of the holiday season while minimizing your energy footprint by adopting a conscious approach to baking your favorite festive and delicious meals. The kitchen is often the heart of the holiday preparations, and optimizing your oven usage can be a game changer in terms of energy efficiency. Instead of sporadic baking sessions, consider planning your culinary endeavors thoughtfully. Batch cooking, where you can prepare multiple dishes in a single oven cycle, not only streamlines your cooking process, but also maximizes the efficiency of your appliance. Schedule your major baking sessions during times when the demand on the electrical grid is lower, typically during late evening or even in the early morning hours. This not only ensures that your delectable holiday creations are cooked to perfection, but also contributes to a more cost-effective and sustainable energy usage pattern. Number 4, unplug all vampire appliances if you are going out of town. Before setting out on your holiday travels, take a moment to fortify your home against energy vampires, those subtle yet power-draining devices that persistently consume electricity. Even when seemingly turned off, they're still using that power. The act of unplugging may seem small, but its cumulative effect can be and will be significant. Many electronic devices such as TVs, computers, and even kitchen appliances can draw power when left plugged in, contributing to what is commonly referred to as phantom or vampire energy consumption. Number 5, handmade gifts or shop local for your loved ones. Immerse yourself in the spirit of sustainable giving this holiday season by opting for handmade gifts and learn how to save energy during the holidays in the process. Handcrafting presents not only adds a personal touch to your gestures, but also minimizes the environmental impact associated with mass-produced items. Number 6, remember to lower the thermostat with party guests over. Hosting lively parties during the festive season brings an inherent increase in outdoor temperatures as guests mingle and the atmosphere becomes animated. Rather than maintaining a higher thermostat setting, take advantage of the collective warmth generated by your guests and the festive ambiance. Consider lowering your thermostat by a degree or two when hosting gatherings. This can save you money in the long run. The combined body heat of your guests, the heat generated by cooking, and the overall festive cheer can help compensate for the slightly cooler indoor setting, thus saving you money on your thermostat. Number 7, use smart plugs and timers for holiday lights. Smart plugs and timers allow you to automate the operation of your decorations, ensuring that they brighten up your home only when it's needed. They're not on all the time. These cutting-edge tools offer a seamless solution to balance creating a magical atmosphere and conserving energy during this holiday season. Smart plugs equipped with wireless connectivity allow you to control the power supply to your lights remotely, empowering you with the flexibility to turn them on or off at your convenience. We hope you found this video helpful. If you're looking for ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all the latest renewable energy options that are in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts. Thank you for watching.